Hello, welcome back to English class. Let's study with your English language teacher.
Homonym. Homonym means the types or categorization of two or more words that are similar or nearly similar in sound or pronunciation or spelling but different in meaning. The word homonym is derived from the Greek word homos, meaning same, and onoma, meaning name. So, what is homonym? Homonym is same sound and same spelling also, but different in meaning. Let's take example of bank. The word bank, B-A-N-K. One bank means place for money. Another bank, that is edge of a river. For example, in sentence, the bank will remain closed today on account of any name of festival XYZ. Another sentence, the poet is sitting on the bank of the river. So here edge of the river. So what we have learned about homonym. Homonyms, or we should keep it in mind, same pronunciation, same spelling also, but different in meaning. Let's take another example of second. SECOND, 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 second. So 1 second, first second is a short time, one meaning is a short time, and another meaning of second is the ordinal number of 2, TWO. So we can take example, the second girl of the class came in a second. The second girl, first second, that is ordinal number of 2. That means she stood second in the class. The second girl of the class came in a second, and second is first second here again. So this is the toying with words. Second. So again I used the word that is ordinal number second, and next the later one is the second, that is a short time. So came in a second, that means came within a very short span of time. The second girl of the class came in a second. The first second is the ordinal number of 2, and second is a short time. Let's another example of the word will, WILL. The will of the living father, is carved by the will of the dead father. The will of the living father, first will, that is desire. The will of the living father is carved by the testament of the dead father. The desire of the living father was carved by the testament that was signed that was made by the dead father. Before his death, he made one will, and in that will, something was made about who would be the heir of his wealth or land. Second, same sound plus different spelling. That time it becomes homophone. Same sound, same pronunciation, but spelling different. That time it becomes homophone. For example, soul, S-O-L-E, S-O-U-L. Not on thy soul, but on thy soul. So not on thy soul, first soul, S-O-L-E. And meaning of soul, S-O-L-E, is the bottom of a shoe. And second soul, S-O-U-L, that is indwelling part of human body. So the sentence, not on thy soul, S-O-L-E, but on thy soul, S-O-U-L. So first soul, bottom of a shoe, and second soul is the indwelling part of human body. That's how it is called. Here soul is called homophone because same pronunciation but different spellings. Another part is there, that is homograph. What is homograph? Homograph is different sound, different pronunciation, but same spelling. For example, lead and lead. So L-E-A-D. For example, Virat Kohli will lead the team. Virat Kohli will lead the Indian cricket team. So here lead is verb. Here lead is verb, L-E-A-D. Keep it in mind, or please notice that different sounds are coming, but spelling same. One is verb, another one is noun. So one sentence, let's make a sentence with the word lead. That is, what is lead? Lead is a soft but heavy metal. So here L-E-A-D, this is noun. So one example of verb, Virat Kohli will lead the team or lead the Indian cricket team. And another example, that is of noun, lead is a soft but heavy metal. So this is the and this also has derived from pun. So we are still playing with words or toying with words. And I would like to request you to write examples of homonym, homophones, homographs more in number in comment box. You are welcome. And I would like to request you to like, share and subscribe my channel if you have got any sort of benefit out of this video. Thank you.